So you saw me on YouTube and you were doing some research, and then you've watched many reviews and many videos, and then you ended up contacting me for a reason because of my bonuses and then the one-on-one support that I am actually offering for the people. Correct?
Yeah, the biggest thing is the one-on-one. It is direct contact with you and your willingness to be there for us, just when watching over our shoulder. That's what exactly I was looking for. I was not looking for just about an end program.
Yes.
So that's basically the
Yeah.
biggest thing for me. Someone
Yeah.
one-on-one, could meet with them.
Yeah.
I could learn from him as we go along and build the business. And at the same time, I just want someone to give us the guidance and
The support and the one-on-one and the setup and the bonuses and also coaching. No one is doing that for actually free.
True.
Congratulations, first of all. We spent over 2.5 hours. This is our first session. We did the foundation. Now we are going to move on to the next step. How was your onboarding so far? Onboarding.
Onboarding it's a great experience I had. I have the honor to actually join you on this and learn from you directly one-on-one. I'm thankful to you and thankful to the experience that you are actually instilling in me right now, which I believe that's what people are missing. And of course, I appreciate the time. 2.5 hours is a lot of information, and I found my match, and I found what I'm looking for, and through your program.
So what would you tell? What would you tell someone who is
I
watching?
recommend it to everyone. Join your team and just listen to you. I believe it's a successful first step. I like everything, and thank you for being there for us. Thank you. It's a mastermind. I got the master. I don't need the mind.
Okay.
It's always awesome to have you.
No.
There's one thing that you said before, and I believe in it. You are offering people or you're making people an offer too stupid to refuse.